we just pushed another call back. If you don't receive it, please let us know. It's the second one.
Yes, you got it.
Potential for Concho rescue or reactivation for 5650 Bay.
Caller at Morris and Julius, advising they heard 12 shots fired from 2 different guns. Nothing seen.